Here was our first view of the Charleston, Illinois supercell as it approached us from the west near Humboldt. At this point, despite being obviously quite robust, it didn't yet have a well-defined hook echo or any strong tornadic rotation visible. Here we noticed two indicators of increasing tornado potential with this storm as it moved closer to us. The storm's east inflow really started cranking up, which is the fuel, so to speak, for a supercell's tornadic rotation. And the large-scale circular motion in the clouds really started to become apparent here. Notice how the lowest bank of clouds is moving along the horizon from right to left. But aloft, that higher band of clouds is traveling left to right. This is indicative of a strongly rotating mesocyclone. Here's that same clip again a couple times at 4 times speed. Now looking south with the supercell almost directly overhead, notice how much more of a well-defined hook echo is evident on radar. We were nestled directly inside that hook, as if the storm was giving us a hug. You can see that big rear flank downdraft bulge just north of Mattoon, and the tornado is about to spin up directly to our south between us and Mattoon. As the wall cloud and funnel take shape, I imagine we would have seen dust and small debris being lofted if it hadn't been for a previous supercell coming through less than an hour before and drenching everything with rain. At one point I spotted what I thought were power flashes beneath the tornado, but it turned out to be a vehicle's flashing lights. If you're going to put yourself directly underneath an HP supercell and observe a developing strong tornado like this is one of the less dangerous positions from which to do so. To be sure, there were numerous positive cloud-to-ground lightning strikes, and shortly after this video was taken, we had to escape to the north to avoid being pelted with baseball-sized hail. But the tornado and its accompanying destructive RFD winds were well to our south and moving southeast. Here's the National Weather Service's survey and path for the Charleston EF-2. It started at 642, about 4 miles north of Mattoon. We observed the funnel take shape between 641 and 642 from our position a little over 4 miles north of Mattoon. Here's a close-up of the tornado's path with our position represented by the X. So that's how we observed the inception of the intense, tricky-to-spot Charleston, Illinois EF-2 tornado. Remember, storm chasing is inherently dangerous, and putting yourself in close proximity to a supercell, especially an HP supercell with low visibility conditions, is not recommended, especially if you're lacking experience with these types of storms. Hopefully you found this interesting. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.